30 important things for your next vacation. 1. Passport, ID card essential for international travel. 2. Travel documents, flight tickets, hotel booking confirmations, travel insurance, etc. 3. Money and credit cards, cash, in the currency of the country you are traveling to, credit and debit cards. 4. Smartphone and charger for communication, navigation, photos and much more. 5. Travel adapter to ensure you can charge your devices abroad. 6. Medicines, personal medications, painkillers, bandages and other emergency medications. 7. Toiletry bag, toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, shower gel, razor, deodorant, etc. 8. Sunscreen, especially important for sunny destinations. 9. Sunglasses to protect the eyes from UV radiation. 10. Hat or cap for additional sun protection. 11. Clothing, comfortable day clothes, evening wear, underwear, socks, etc. 12. Swimwear for beach holidays or hotel pools. 13. Rain jacket or umbrella if the weather is unstable. 14. Comfortable shoes, hiking shoes, sandals or sneakers, depending on your destination. 15. Flip-flops or bathing shoes for the beach or the hotel. 16. Travel towel, quick drying and space saving. 17. Backpack or daypack for day trips and activities. 18. Book, e-reader or magazine for relaxation on the beach or while traveling. 19. Camera or GoPro to capture special moments. 20. Drone to explore hard-to-reach places and discover hidden secrets from the air, if you want to have beautiful photos or videos. 21. Power bank for extra battery life on the go. 22. Headphones for music, audiobooks or podcasts while traveling. 23. Neck pillow for more comfort during long flights or car journeys. 24. Sleep mask and earplugs to sleep better on the go. 25. Snacks and water bottle for travel or longer trips. 26. Notebook and pen or save in your mobile phone to capture memories or make important notes. 27. Beach blanket. 28. Travel guides or maps, either digitally or as a book for information about the destination. 29. Travel insurance card, have all necessary information at hand in case of emergency. 30. Emergency money or money belt to have quick access to money without getting into debt. This list covers the essential things you should take with you on any vacation trip. Adapt it according to your destination and your personal needs. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you have a nice week until the next video.